Oh, it is a fish! There it is. That's a big one. Yep, there it is. There it is. He's hooked all right.
All right, babe, reel
That is a monster fish. Welcome back, everybody, to River Fishing USA. In today's video, we checked out my favorite hot water spillway once again, and I had a really good feeling about this morning, and it did not disappoint. I caught some of the best fish of the year, and I caught a lot of them. I was catching fish after fish and even broke a new PB and had a lot of excitement and surprises in this episode you will not want to miss, so make sure to watch the whole video. I'm just going to cut right to the clips. If you could just drop a like, that would be awesome. It would really help support the channel, and we're going to go for 50 likes on this video. Make sure to subscribe if you like the channel and comment below what you'd like to see in future videos. But in the meantime, enjoy the video. That's a fish. That's a fish. See what it is. I was not expecting that. I was just kind of aimlessly. Oh, it's white bass. Oh. He's still on. And I lost my pliers in the water. There we go. There's that guy who made me lose my pliers. Not getting those back. Okay, let's see if I cast in here. This is where I got that big carp on my very first video. Oh, it is a fish! It's a gar! Look at it!
You got it!
Oh my gosh! No! Gosh, dang it! There's a fish. That's a striper, I think. Or maybe a white bass. Let's see the stripes. It's a white bass. That's a good fighting one though. There's this white bass. Almost hooked him in the eye, but his eye looks good to go, so we'll release him. There he goes. That was a good fighter. There's a big one. That might be a striper. See if it's, I think it's still on. And is that a shad? Or no, it's a white bass. That took it. I thought I snagged it. White bass number 3 of the day. He is the smallest one yet, but still a nice fish. There, that's a fish. That's a fish. This might be a shad. It's fighting well, but I probably just foul hooked it.
Oh,
it's a shad!
a shad.
Very nice. There's our bait for the day. There it is. That's a big one. Yes. I gotta hope it doesn't go under the log. This is a crazy fighter. What is it? That's a big striper.
That's a huge striper.
Oh my.
No!
Oh my gosh! It'll probably be in a matter of seconds. Within a minute. Yep, there it is. There it is. He's hooked all right.
All right, babe, reel
That is a monster fish.
That's a big one.
That is a huge fish. It's under the log again. I hope I don't lose it. Come on. What is this? Come on, fish. At least want to see what it is. It's probably a monster striper, but if it is, it's new PB. I saw a fish.
No! Oh, okay, we're good, we're good, we're good.
It's still good, still good. We still got it. Still have a chance. That's a huge striper.
Oh, my.
This thing is a freaking tank. Look at that. Look at that thing go. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Might be a new record. Look at this beast. That is by far my biggest fish. It's my biggest fish out of here, my biggest striper. That is a tank. By far my biggest striper ever. That thing is gigantic. This guy will be free. There he goes. Here it is. Gosh. See if he'll take it again. He's definitely following it. But we'll see if he... He's playing with it, I think. Ready? So he'll take it. So he'll pick it up and carry it away. Gosh. Do you see him? I guess he's hooked. That might be a white bass, actually. Or no, that's a white bass, yeah. There's another white bass, nice one. Took the cut bait, which I'm surprised. The thing is quite a bit bigger than this fish's mouth. That's crazy. There you go. There it is. There it is. That's a big fish. Oh, he's hooked. They gotta keep that pressure on him. They keep swimming under this log. He's moving it. This is not good. That's a big one. It's another big one. Yes. That's a big one. That's a big one. Yes. That is another beast. Might be the same fish. He is not happy. My finger is going to be totally shredded from this. If you see how big he is compared to my hand, my fist, his head is bigger than my entire fist, so it's a good fish. And he is not happy that he didn't get my bait once again. There he goes. There it is. Yep, reel that.
Oh my god.
See that? Let it run a little bit if it has to.
Oh my god.
That is a beast. Bring it right over here. Put the rod tip down a bit. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's... Wait, okay, put it here. It might be the same one again, honestly. So there you have it, guys. That was one of the best fishing days I've had in a long time, and I really hope you enjoyed watching me catch those fish. If you did enjoy, once again, drop a like. We're gonna try and get 50 on this episode. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new and you wanna see similar content to this. I'm hoping to catch a lot of big fish in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for watching. And until the next one, thank you guys so much for watching. Tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.